It's Arbor Day, and we thought we would do a plant profile, a tree profile, since we are an arboretum. And we chose Paw-paw, Asimina triloba. And indeed, these are all pawpaws right here. But as a matter of fact, they only started out as probably 5 individual plants that we planted in here. We saved them from the highway project through the Juniata Narrows maybe 15 years ago. And therein lies an inherent problem with this particular tree, is that you have to be careful to get a mix genetic strains in order to have successful pollination and get the sought after fruit that comes with this tree, the pawpaws, which are a funny custardy kind of banana thing. And which leads into the next part of this discussion on this tree, is that that fruit, if you're lucky enough, someone might give it to you one September, and it may actually be somewhat ripe and edible at that point still. If not, wash the fruit off the seeds, and you may need to do this over a couple of days. Wash it clean, dry it off, wash it again, and you get these seeds which are like enormous coffee beans. Can you see that? And so what you want to do at that point, you're in late fall, is stick them in a Ziploc bag with a damp paper towel. Throw them in the fridge for the winter. Don't forget about them, but check on them every couple weeks. You might get a little funk started on them, and you want to rewash them and put them back in. Maybe re-dampen the paper towel. And then come springtime, like late April and May, I did this 2 years ago, and I put the seeds in just a little pot of soil, and within a few weeks they germinated, and I had really good germination. They don't look like much right now, but they are actually alive. And so that will help you with getting varied genetics in your stand, which will also help you. It's a discussion not for this particular post. It's really complicated. I'm not the one who could explain it well, but it will help you to carry your fruit all the way to its term, all the way to maturity. If you don't get varied strains in there, the fruit will start and then it will fall off by like May or June, and that's the experience we had here. So that's why we started some more seedlings for this tree. So I call this a tree worth the wait.